Welcome to the 2025 Volkswagen Golf RS review. Experience the perfect blend of performance, innovation, and iconic design with the 2025 Volkswagen Golf RS. This hot hatch is built to thrill every driving enthusiast. In this presentation, we'll explore the Golf RS's aggressive exterior styling, driver-focused interior, advanced safety features, and exhilarating performance. Get ready to ignite your passion for driving. Let's begin. Exterior design. The 2025 Golf RS features a dynamic and aerodynamic exterior with signature RS front grille with honeycomb pattern, matrix LED headlights and dynamic turn signals, 19-inch lightweight alloy wheels, quad exhaust tips with a sporty rear diffuser, bold RS badging and an aerodynamic rear spoiler. Its striking design ensures it commands attention on the road. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Golf RS offers sport contoured bucket seats with RS stitching, 10-inch digital cockpit display, 12-inch infotainment touchscreen with Volkswagen IQ, Drive, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, heads-up display for seamless navigation, ambient lighting with customizable color options, safety and driver assistance. Safety features include Volkswagen IQ, Drive Safety Suite, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist and lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, 360-degree surround view camera, autonomous emergency braking. Powertrain and performance. The 2025 Golf RS delivers 2.0L turbocharged inline-4 engine, 350 HP, 332 pound-feet torque, 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission, 4-motion all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring, electronic limited slip differential. Performance capabilities. With its adaptive DCC suspension system, high-performance brakes with ventilated discs, progressive variable ratio steering, the Golf RS delivers exhilarating speed and precision handling. 0 to 100 km/h, 4.5 seconds. Top speed, 270 km/h. Fuel economy, up to 12 km/h. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf RS is available in 3 trim levels. RS Base starting at $47,000 USD. RS Performance starting at $52,000 USD. RS Track Edition starting at $57,000 USD. Each trim offers enhanced features tailored for ultimate driving pleasure. Unleash the thrill. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf RS. Power, precision, and performance redefined.